I really enjoy troubleshooting circuits and figuring out what's wrong with it because I find it really rewarding when I'm able to fix something that was previously broken. The other classes at my sending school, they're fun, but they're not as fun as this class, and this is kind of what gets me going in the morning and gets me ready and excited for the day. When I come in, the first thing I do is I go over into my station and I set up my supplies, and then I grab whatever tools I'm working on for the day. And so that could include either soldering, or it could include a breadboard or any type of other electronics work where I'm repairing something or building something from scratch. This program will help me either get a job at Boeing by teaching me most of the stuff that I need to know for that, or it will help me get into a college program for electronics where I will get college credit. The class does provide 3 different certification types. There is a 21st Century Skills certification, which allows you to learn how to work in a work environment and work with other people. There's also an Electronics 1 and Electronics 2 certification, which shows that you know how electronics work and you know the basics and can actually build and construct circuits and read all of the different diagrams. The way that the class works is you can kind of take it at your own pace as long as you have the stuff done by the end of the quarter. And so you're able to go slower and get help from other people, or you can go faster and just move ahead and then start doing your own design. I created a passcode circuit, and so it turned on a green light when you entered the correct passcode, and if there wasn't the correct passcode, it would just stay off. You should come to this class if you really enjoy a lot of hands-on work and you enjoy working with other people and figuring out problems and troubleshooting and have fun along the way.